Hej och välkomna ska ni vara. Nu är det så här, Christian, att jag är ute på stan och ska visa vara en liten ciceron för dig. Vi ska gå till det här nya stora företaget som har slagit ihop sig med Bird and Bird. Oh. The ring signal. Oh, the ring signal. It's open for me. Hello, my name is Dennis Gotobed. Say after me, please. Cup of coffee. Good! Ett äpple. Nej, can't eat. I have epilepsy. No. Hello? Oh, sorry. Follow please. I talk English, sometimes Swedish. This is a carpet. Say after me, please. Newspaper. Sayonara. Jag har varit i Japan. I've been in Japan 3 times. 2 years ago. Hi. Is it dark or is it light here? Say hello to the camera.
Hello.
Hello. Banana. Come on, boys. Say after me. Bananas.
Bananas.
Good.
Very good.
Good. Bird and bird.
Bird and bird.
Good. This is an early Rembrandt. You know, I can't everything about art. I think this is art. I like it a lot. But I don't think he like me. Where's the boss? Oh, art. Where is the boss? Chefen.
Upstairs.
You got this. You got the tune, boy. He's got the tune upstairs. Wow, stairway to heaven. This is the library where you have everything. This is biblioteket. Quiet when he reads. Banana. Bananas. A book. Good. Hello. Are you the boss?
No.
You're done.
I'm only the chairman.
I have one question. Jag har en fråga. Is it lonely at the top? Är det ensam på toppen?
Not at all.
Good! Ja. Jaha, okej. Vad har vi lärt oss? Jo, jag summerar. Bird and bird. Good! Hej då, Christian. Hej.